While it may save you some money in the short term, it's not advised to represent yourself in court, even if you're a lawyer yourself. So tell me, Nardine, why shouldn't people represent themselves in court besides the obvious?
Yes. So our Judge Willis, she has a fantastic saying in court, and every time I hear her say it, it makes me laugh. She says, would you do your own stomach surgery? So would you do something really important yourself when you've got no training to do it? Would you remove your wisdom tooth? So there's some things that you can do yourself, but representing yourself in court isn't one of them, because there's just so much that can go wrong, and it's a really particular area of expertise. We spend years and years learning about it, and we still sometimes come to court and things happen that are unexpected. So for a self-represented litigant who comes to court who doesn't know anything about anything, it can be a really horrible experience to stand up and be told that what you're asking for is incorrect, or you're not asking for something the right way. The judge gets cranky with you because you're wasting her time. So it's it's not a good experience, trust me.
So I'm going to compare it to a DIY vasectomy or a DIY
there you go.
being a DIY lawyer. So there we go, don't do it. So tell me, are there situations then where it is appropriate to represent yourself in court?
No.
Sorry, Again, let's go back.
I will just qualify that. A divorce. I think a divorce, if it's fairly straightforward, that would be okay.
Yep.
Arguably some mentions where it's just a very quick, you're adjourning it for a particular reason, but even then it's just, there is so much that could potentially happen in that brief court appearance that you don't know how to handle it.
Because you might think it's going to be adjourned, but then it might not.
That's right, or the other party, especially if they are represented, their lawyer pops up and says, well, what about this and that, and you're unprepared for it and you don't know how to respond. So I think as a general rule is not to go unrepresented.
So what can happen if you do represent yourself in court then?
You just get it wrong. Get it wrong. Things happen that you didn't want to have happen. You find it difficult to get your point across. You don't know what you're asking for. You don't know how to speak the right language. Yeah, so it could be disastrous. I've seen people come to court expecting a certain thing will happen, and suddenly the judge has made orders that they completely didn't realise were going to happen. Yeah, very distressing.
I can imagine. Yeah. So at the end of the day, while initially it may seem more cost effective and efficient, it's just not worth the risk. So get a lawyer involved, such as someone from the wonderful team at Collier Family Lawyers. So if you're after one, look no further, give them a call.